Hi guys, so today pag-uusapan natin itong si Grass. Potential airdrop ito. As we can see, meron na tayo ditong pinaka-earnings. Ito is that naka-open lang while I browse. Pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Step by step natin na i-discuss and kung paano ilagay yung pinaka-integration dito sa extension guys. No? Pero before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin. Turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa dashboard ni Grass. I've been observing itong project na ito. Marami din silang pinaka-updates. Recently, meron silang update for the improvements. Meron din sila ditong pinaka-funding round. Nakapag-raise sila ng 3.5 seed round. Ito yung pinaka-lead investors nila, Polychain Capital, Tribe Capital, with some participations ng other VCs or venture capitalist guys. No? So, yun, this is free lang naman. And say for example, let's go through our dashboard. Punta tayo dito. Ito yung pinaka-earnings natin dito. So, basically, nag-work itong platform na ito. Nag-earn ka dito based on your activities guys, no? So, ito na yung na-earn ko for, I think, 4 days pa lang ito. Ayan. And yung official link na ito guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. At para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no? So, say for example, dito naman sa sign up, email address lang. Tapos, generate username mo lang siya dito. Tapos, lagay mo lang yung password. As is lang tong pinaka-code. Agree mo lang ito. And I'm not a robot. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas and updates for the airdrops. I'm using lang dito ng email ko na related in crypto for airdrop guys, no. I'm not using my personal email dito, so I'm just exhausting dito ng email ko for dedicated in crypto airdrops guys, no. So pagkatapos niyan, tap register lang, login ka na dito. You can check your email for some confirmations, and then pagkatapos niyan, kailangan mo i-connect. So dito, ma-redirect ka dito sa pinaka-extension, no? So ito, Grass extension, and then lagay mo lang siya dito, add mo lang siya for the extension. Ganito yung pinaka user interface ng extension. Connect mo lang siya dito or reconnect mo lang. So, once na connected na, okay na yan. Yung activity mo will be converted into earnings. Simple as that. At sometimes, nagkakaroon dito ng disconnection. It takes time lang, pero I think na-enhance naman nila yung connection. So, yung ginagawa ko lang is just to reconnect guys, no? So, connect ko lang siya dito. Or maybe here, tapos reconnect ko lang siya guys, no? So, once connected, okay na yan. Right now, wala pa siyang sa cellphone, no? So, hopefully in the future, magkaroon siya sa mobile. At ngayon is nasa desktop or sa laptop pa lang siya guys, no? So, yun. Hope you get some ideas dito guys sa quick updates natin dito for the potential airdrop in the future dito kay Grass guys, no? So, yun. If you want to check more other airdrops, I created the playlist guys. Click nyo lang to. And see you sa video na yan guys, no? Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.